Welcome to our version unboxing videos. Today we'll be going through FMS Workplace version 2024.3.1. In this new version, we see the addition of CAPTCHA to the login for both FMS Workplace and FM Mobile. This feature was added to provide an extra layer of security for systems using basic authentication. Many clients have SSO enabled, so they might not see the screen, but for those using internal authentication, you will be able to use this feature. As you can see to the right, the sign-in pop-up window asks you to enter the characters generated in the CAPTCHA image, along with your regular username and password to log into the site. If the CAPTCHA code is entered incorrectly, then a red error message of invalid code appears above the CAPTCHA image and the CAPTCHA image changes. You can try again by entering your credentials and the new CAPTCHA code. So let's see this feature in action. I'm going to start by clicking on Sign In at the top right of the page and then enter the username, password, and CAPTCHA code in the pop-up window. If you cannot read the current CAPTCHA code or would just like to change it, click on Generate New Image and a new CAPTCHA image will display. You can click it multiple times until you find a code you prefer. Just re-enter the password and the new CAPTCHA code, and then select the Sign In button, and then you're all set. Aside from the new CAPTCHA feature and regular security updates, version 2024.3.1 includes some enhancements to the web content accessibility guidelines related to content focus and images. Non-meaningful images are now marked as decorative, which means that these images will be ignored by screen readers. For example, when navigating through this page, the screen reader reads the FMS Workplace logo that links to the home screen as home, but the text Space Management 1.00 regions is ignored. Normally, as you tap through the page, the focus moves to the next active element. Now when you select the Edit button for a record, the focus shifts to the Details pane, so less tabbing is needed to be able to edit record details. The focus issue for Show People Unassigned to Rooms or Zones has been resolved. We can see that by clicking on the Assign Rooms and Zones button, which opens up the window to the left of the screen. Next, we'll need to select the Show People's Unassigned to Rooms or Zones button. A new pop-up window will display in the middle of the screen with the focus on the text box in the window. When using the Tab button, the focus moves to the next active element in the window. Another addition is for the Assign pop-up, which is accessed by clicking on Assign in the Info view. You can close the pop-up by selecting the X button on the top right of the pop-up or by hitting the Escape key. Other software updates consist of bug fixes to graphic views, room splits, views, and system code. One of the issues from the previous version that have been fixed with this new version is where the building and room selection for a room picker field was not saving when the space was selected using the floor plan. The room splits issue present in FMS Workplace versions 2024.2.1 and 2024.2.2 were resolved, so you can now assign multiple departments to a space as seen for this conference room. Version 2024.3.1 also includes some SQL code updates made to address issues with the upgrade database scripts in the support tool. For more information, please reach out to AMS, FM Systems, or your business partner. Thanks for watching.